Welcome to M Plus Weekly Bites, bringing you some key highlights for the week. Overall market has been stabilizing as buying interest was noticed in the technology sectors, in line with the movements from the US tech giants. The pandemic beneficiaries such as glove stocks were gradually drifting lower with the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination progress. Stay until the end of the video to know more about the complete insights of the week. Following the significant sell-down on the local exchange after market participants were expecting stricter measures over the weekend on the back of spiking local COVID-19 confirmed cases, the market ended with a relief rally this week. Overall market has been stabilizing as buying interest was noticed in the technology sectors, in line with the movements from the US tech giants. On the other hand, the pandemic beneficiaries such as glove stocks were gradually drifting lower with the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination progress and subsiding cases on the global context. Meanwhile, we notice most of the recovery stocks are hitting the tipping point and may bottom up in the near to mid-term, which has contributed to the gradual rise in FBM KLCI, trading along the 1590 level. Over in the US, investors are re-looking into equities amid the easing inflation fears. However, some of the market participants are still cautiously waiting for more data points, such as unemployment rate, GDP growth in the US, as well as monitoring the economic recovery process to anticipate the next course of action by the Feds, which monetary policies will be crucial to determine the investment trends going forward. As of this moment, Wall Street is still uptrending, with the Dow and S&P 500 respecting their upward trend line for now. Back on the local front, despite having MCO 3.0 with stricter measures, we are still seeing COVID-19 cases continue on the rise. This is within our Health Director General expectations earlier that the COVID-19 status may worsen in the near term. However, we believe the recent tightening measures may slow down the infection rate and the economic recovery efforts should take place going forward. Also, the recent take-up in the COVID-19 vaccine rate suggested that the citizens are ready to restart their lives after this COVID-19 environment. Hence, in this vaccine matter, traders are positioning some short-term trades on the pharmaceutical sector this week. Going into the final week of May, traders have noticed that the earnings release trend is fairly decent on the steel-related, plantation, selected telcos, as well as banking sectors. The banking sector was helped by lower provision and healthier margins. Meanwhile, the strong performance from Petronas Chemical, traders should expect the chemical industry to register healthy earnings this quarter. Since the tone has shifted from pandemic plays to recovery themes, the FBM KLCI should be on a positive bias trading tone this week. Also, both the MACD and also RSI are on the recovering path, and we opine that the FBM KLCI may revisit the 1600 level over the near term, and the support will be located around 1560. That's all we have for today. To stay up to date with weekly bites, like and follow us on Facebook at M Plus Online.